Hi everyone, it's Gloria. Welcome back to Tinker Wonderland. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you today. This is so exciting because I found a lot of beautiful and new items today at my local Dollar Tree store. So without further ado, let me share with you what I got. And here we go, guys. Let me start with this bag. Okay, I found my favorite crispy coconut rolls. So I got 4 of this. 2 for me and 2 for hubby. Not interesting or not new, but again, we love this. It's our one of our favorite snack. So I get 4 of that. Next item I have here is my this is cool, guys. Finally found the items that I've been looking for. Let me show this to you. I'm so happy that I found this one. This is the record player coaster set. Look at that. It's a set of, it's one set include 4 coasters. And yeah, I've been looking for this and I finally found it at my local Dollar Tree store. Let me open it for ya. By the way, before I open it, this is the back. It says here record player coaster set, and it comes with the 4 coasters and of course the holder. So that's how it looks. Anyway, guys, this is how it looks. Look at that, how pretty it is. Here's the box. I believe I got 2 of this, but I misplaced the other one because I already opened it and I can't find it now. So, but here you go. Here's the box, and this is how it looks. So, how beautiful is that? It's like a record player, a real record player. But yeah, here's the coaster. So that's the holder. Very nice. That's the back. And here's the coaster. That's the one. And here's the other one here. Beautiful. Look at that. Here's another one. And here is the other one. So cool, isn't it? So yeah, I'm so happy to find this one. And yeah, I love using coasters for my drinks, so that is perfect. So I got that one. Next item I have here, I got another one of this hand sanitizer case in white. Next, I get 2 of this Chop Eyes lip balm. I have this yellow. Yeah, and guys, if you want to check it out, because some of this only includes two pieces of this lip balm, and I found this 3 included in one pack. So you might want to check this out. I got the one in yellow and one in blue. So again, check it out. It has an SPF 15 and 12-hour moisture for $1.25. Yes, that's only $1.25 at my local Dollar Tree. Moving on. So happy to find this too. It's the Grinch pen. And this is only $1.25. Super cute, guys. I love it. Also get that. Next item here. This is also new. I found it, assorted cable management kit. Look at that. That's so cool. It comes in 7 pieces and by e-circuit. Comes with 2 magnetic cable holders, 2 adhesive cable holders, 3 cable ties, and there you go. That is 7. That's awesome, guys. So I get 2 of this. One for me and one for hubby because we have a lot of cables to manage. So I get 2 of this. That is so cool. Very useful too. So if you guys find it or found it at your local store, better grab one. You never know. That is perfect for organizing cables. Alright, next, I got two of this vitamin C special serum or facial serum by Global Beauty Care. I love using this. So I get two of that. There you go. Next item I got. Also been looking for this one, part one of my wish list. I actually found all the items that are on my wish list. So I am so happy to find this one, as you can see. And this is the jewelry box. It's a jewelry box. And this one is plastic. And then if you open it, it looks like that. How cool it is, guys. And this thing here, this part here is removable, so you can freely put anything you want here. You can remove this part, and also this part. It's also removable. So yeah, see, you can just take it off and put it back if you want to put jewelry in it. So I'm so glad to find this one, and I like that it's in plastic, so it's easy to clean and water resistant. So they only have black, pink, and green colors. So I get two of the pink. I don't like the green though, because it's like green, and two of the black. So I get this. That is so cool. I love it. So happy to find this one. There you go. And that's the pink one and the black. We love it. All right. Next thing I found is this beautiful. I also get the one of the Jolly Rancher cherry flavored lip balm and lip gloss. It's a duo. A lip balm and a lip gloss. So I picked that one. And then I also found this beautiful another lip balm, or what you call this? Lip, yes, it's a lip balm. Just for girls, your super lip balm. This one in berry scented. It's chick, like a chick. It's super cute. And that's the back. It has the ingredients right there written. It says here, start on the center of the bottom lip, moving outward toward the edges in a short but light sweeping motion. Repeat steps for upper lip. Reapply as needed to keep lips soft and moisturized. It's a noodle. This one is very scented. I also get this one in green color, very cute. Even the packaging is so cute. It's a just for girls, your super lip balm. And this one is watermelon scented. Cute is that. And the last one I have here in this bag is this grape scented. I love it. I think this one is a panda. And I believe this one is a bunny. Awesome! And yes, we have more here, guys. Let me put this down. I got one of these wet sweeper cloth refills by Scrub Buddies, and I need this to clean my comfort, so I get this one. It's in lemon scent. And then I also found the container that I've been looking for. Look at this, so cool. This is expensive in other store, and this is the Sure Fresh reusable square container, and it's cool when you press this top, you can open it. I can't, it's just hard to open it with one arm. There you go. There. How cool is that? I got the square. I got two of the square, then you close it with just pressing the top. I get two of the square and two of the round. Look at that, guys. Isn't that cool? And I also get two of this round container. Again, it's also the same. You press the top to open it, like that. And then to close it, you press it again. Press it down. So that's how it looks. Awesome. And again, I get two of that round, round container. And yes, we have another bag here. Super cool. I get one of this Ritz crackers fudge covered limited edition Ritz crackers. What did I say? So I get this one. I believe I bought this $3. This is $3, but it's something new. So I pick one of this, and oh, I get two of the sanitizer case, the hand sanitizer case. This is the second one. As you can see, you have two here. It's both white. That's fine. On this bag, I didn't realize I get another two of this Global Beauty Care vitamin C facial serum. So I get four of that container now, or vitamin C serum now, which is fine because I always use that every night. All right, next item. Another toothpaste. It's anti-cavity fluoride toothpaste. I just saw this at my store, my Dollar Tree store. This is new, so I get one. I like the mint flavor, so I get another one of this toothpaste. And then I also get one this Sensitive Extreme fluoride anti-cavity whitening toothpaste compared to Sensodyne. I also get one of this. This is only $1.25 at my store yet. I don't know if on the other store it's how much it raised to $1.50. I'm not sure, but it's just $1.25 on my store. All right, then next I get another set of Be Pure moisturizing hand sanitizer. This one is a cucumber mint scented, and the other one is the watermelon scented. So yeah, I love sanitizer, and this is also perfect for gift or stocking stuffers, guys. Christmas is coming, so perfect for stocking stuffers. So I get two of this. And the last item I have here is another lip balm. I'm so addicted to lip balm, and this is a nourishing lip balm, coconut lime scented by Beauty Impressions. That's how it looks. They also have the green one, and I can't remember what's the scent for that, but this one I get this one with coconut and lime, and it says with squalene and amino acids, hydrate, nourish, shine, and smile. So I get this one. Beautiful though, beautiful casing. So I get one of this. All right, and there you have it, guys. That is all my Dollar Tree haul to share with you today. It's a little bit of everything, but again, I believe this is worth to share. And if you guys interested to this, some of these items, I hope you can also find it at your local Dollar Tree store. And there you have it. And that's all for now. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, I would love to have you as part of our YouTube family. Please consider to click that subscribe button. And also don't forget to click the bell button so you won't miss any of our videos. Until the next video, guys, thank you all for watching. Have a good day and a good night. God bless everyone. See you next time.